Hey guys, this is Shannon with AVADirect, and welcome to the newest episode of AVARigs. AVARigs is designed to showcase some of the systems we build every day. Obviously, we'd love to show off all the hard to builds and the big crazy custom ones that we offer, but sometimes you get a more simple build, something that maybe has an AIO liquid cooler, not necessarily all the crazy stuff that you see in some of the more extreme builds that we do. So with that, this one is based on the Cooler Master MasterCase series H500P. Now, the cool thing about the H500P case is it has little baby glass windows on the top and front so that you can look through and see all of your components along with some of the RGB lighting, and it even has a tempered glass side panel so that you can get a nice surround view of all of your hardware. And when you light it up with RGB like you see here, it really kind of makes it jump out at you, and you can see all the awesome build that we did. Now, this thing is powered by a Maximus X Hero. This is Maximus 10, it's an ASUS ROG board. It is a Z370 chipset, and it has an 8700K, which is the newest 6-core, 12-thread processor from Intel, and it's cooled by an H100i from Corsair, along with being powered by an EVGA 1000 watt power supply, so it has way more than enough power. And to push your graphics performance, it has an ASUS ROG model 1080 Ti, so it has plenty of performance on tap for all of the high-end games. It also has a custom Zonar sound card by ASUS as well, just to make sure you get the perfect audible experience for your gaming needs. So with that being said, if you want to build a badass system like this for yourself, feel free to come see us here at AVADirect, and we can build you your own AVA rig, and maybe yours can even be highlighted here as well. If you're looking forward to some great content coming out of our team here at AVADirect, please join us on our social media channels such as Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, and be sure to like and subscribe to this channel so you get notifications when we upload brand new videos to get you the newest in tech every day.